Okay, Mark again from Reboot. Just going to go through some of the nutritional stuff to prepare you guys for the isolation boot camp that I'm running next week. Yeah, bit of a difficult one putting this one together, trying to think how each of you are going to individually go out and purchase all of the different ingredients and stuff. So we've split it into two parts. We've put together a menu for the week, which you can download off our bootcamp page, isolation bootcamp page, which there'll be a link below this video for you to click on. And that basically just suggests the times, the foods that you need to be eating throughout the day, which will also link into the schedules that you've already been able to download, which are also on that page. I then also attached the recipes for each of the menus. Now, if you are big into your cooking, you might have a lot of the ingredients in your cupboard, and if you haven't, I've put a side note on there. Look, you've got three options next week, okay, with regards to the food. First option is for you to eat the way you eat at the moment, just continue with your regular diet. And try to cut out processed foods, try to cut out the refined sugars, steer away from the tea and the coffee and the fruit juices, and go for water, ginger and lemon, or fruit teas and stuff. If you were to do that and carry on with the boot camp next week, doing the 3 sessions a day, it'll have a significant impact on your health, weight loss, and various other things or reasons that you're doing it for. So don't stress too much if you can't follow the recipes. Just try to get the timings right. The second option then is for you to sort of look at the recipes that we have. There's 4 breakfast recipes, there's 5 lunch recipes, there's 4 dinner recipes, and instead of trying to go ahead and cook all of them, maybe pick 1 or pick 2 of them and then just replicate it throughout the week, so that you can sort of still get the same balance of nutrients that we're putting into the recipes that we use at the boot camp, but you're not sort of overloading yourself with too much work to do. And then just mix it up with potentially some of the foods that you have at home anyway. Then obviously the third option is hardcore, go for it, and get as much of the ingredients as you can and get yourself prepped and get all the food ready for the boot camp next week. Whichever way you choose to do it, what I suggest you do between now and Sunday is really get all the ingredients laid out, prep things that you can prepare. Each morning what you'll see is that we have like a chocolate and date snack pre-routine first thing in the morning. That can all be prepared on Sunday, put in the fridge, and they'll last all week long. The same things with the muffins that are being made. You can also prepare your fruit and veg and various other stuff that's going on. So yeah, just have a think about it, so when it gets to next week, you're not fumbling around trying to get everything organised, and you have got time to actually take part in the boot camp, listen to the presentations, and get out and do the exercise as well. Obviously at Reboot we've got a chef full-time that cracks on with it. She's absolutely amazing, Sandy. So yeah, unfortunately I can't get her to cook the food and deliver it to your places. So yeah, just make the most of what you've got and the time that you've got there, okay? My daughter told me off yesterday because I said please follow this channel. I think you've actually got to subscribe to it, so please do subscribe to that. Apparently the video gets more noticed with the more likes and comments that you make, so please get liking, commenting and sharing away. Putting a lot of effort in for this for next week, and it makes no difference whether 50 people are following it or we have 100, 200, 300 following it. So please share it about and let people out there sort of know what we're doing next week. Hope you're staying safe, making the most of the sunshine. Make sure you got your sun cream on. Please make sure that you're sticking to the rules as well, only going out once a day for exercise, and spreading your week out with the shopping and stuff. Let's get this coronavirus under control. Right, that's it from me now. I'm going to put another video out tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm going to be looking at different types of equipment that you need, and also if you haven't got any pieces of equipment, we're going to look at potentially adapting and making some equipment that we can use for the boot camp next week out of things that you'll just find around the house. Okay, well, from me, speak to you tomorrow.